Are you looking for the best quietest projectors? In this video we will look at some of the best quietest projectors on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, PVO Portable Projector. Mini video projector is small and portable, and can be carried in a pocket or bag. Even children can hold it easily. You can enjoy movies, videos and games no matter at home or in the outdoor courtyard, travel, camping and other location. YG300 Pro upgraded in 2020. Support 1080p Full HD and the natural resolution have increased to 640 x 360. Improve the brightness and color saturation of the projected picture to make the picture clearer and more comfortable. It has a built-in rechargeable battery, and when fully charged, the battery allows users to enjoy the fun of watching videos for 2 hours. It is equipped with a compact and portable design, and it is a great helper and a good friend that would relieve boredom during travel or camping. This PVO projector supports multiple video sources, including smartphones, tablets, and laptops via HDMI, USB, and Avenue. With 1800 lumens, it's available in various colors and features a built-in speaker, embedded intelligent software, and an integrated carry handle. At number 2, BenQ GS2 SD projector. Native 1080p Full HD image quality with 2200 ANSI lumens, 15:000:1 contrast ratio. 6x RGB color wheel delivers rich colors and crisp details that are calibrated for movies and gaming. Superior short throw projection enables you to project 100-inch screen from just 3 feet, letting you fully immerse into your games. Project up to 300 inches. The specialized low input lag and unique game modes ensure gamers an ultra-smooth and comprehensive gaming experience. The BenQ GS2 SD is the ideal projector for those needing image quality and sound, a short throw, and the ability to be used in a home entertainment environment. High contrast ratio dynamic black delivers true blacks with deeper shades of color and more detail. This BenQ GS2 SD 1080p short throw projector is ideal for home theater and conference room applications. It features a 1080p native resolution that delivers crystal clear images and text without pixel loss. It has a 240 watts light source that provides brightness up to 2200 lumens and a 15:000:1 contrast ratio for impressive colors and details. At number 3, ViewSonic PA503S projector. The ViewSonic registered PA503S is a 800 lumen SVGA projector that provides high-quality images in nearly any environment. The PA503S features an intuitive user interface and extensive connectivity, including HDMI registered, 2x VGA, VGA out, composite video, and audio in. Out. Elite Supercolor technology allows a wide color gamut for beautiful image production in nearly any environment. The PA503S also features energy-saving super vivid, bright images with supercolor technology, and 800 lumens. The PA503S produces vivid photos that will impress your audience. And with 800 lumens of brightness and a native resolution of 800 by 600 SVGA, you can be sure to display crisp text even in brightly lit rooms or outdoors. The energy-saving Super Eco feature reduces power consumption and extends the lamp life by up to 1500 hours. At number 4, Optomo H184X projector. The Optomo H184X affordable home and outdoor movie projector is light, compact, and produces a detailed 720p image, with 1080p input. This projector has many robust options for connectivity, including HDMI support. With 15,000 hours of lamp life, This projector will last for years with minimal maintenance. With powerful 3600 LED lumens and up to 300-inch image projection for home entertainment, the Optomo H184X is a perfect choice for your movie nights in or out. You can also try using component video inputs if you have a DVD player hooked up. The sturdy design will ensure a no-give experience as what can install it vertically and horizontally within its 100 by 100 lens installation area, making it perfect for space constrictions indoors or outdoors inside the 18SQ/M footprint. At number 5. Kodak Luma 150 Projector. This small and lightweight device is a portable projector that goes from room to room, plugs into any TV or monitor via HDMI cable, and projects your phone's screen onto the big screen. The Kodak Luma 150 Ultra Mini Pocket PVO Projector has 2 built-in speakers to be used as an audio source if you also have wireless headphones on hand. It is equipped with a rechargeable battery which lasts approximately 3 hours after a full charge, enough time for one movie. The rechargeable battery will keep it charged by plugging in its USB cord at home or in your car when traveling long distances away. This LED lamp offers 60 ANSI lumens of brightness, a resolution of up to 854 by 480 pixels, supports 4K resolution, and creates 1000:1 contrast ratios, so your projected image will be crystal clear. At number 6. GRC Mini Projector. The GRC Mini Projector is a lightweight, portable device that turns any room into a movie theater with ease. GRC Mini Projector is compatible with TV stick, HDMI, USB, Avenue, DVD, and gives your family a superb cinematic experience at home. When you are traveling to unfamiliar places of the world on nights or cloudy days in a tent for camping, it can be installed very conveniently to enjoy an outdoor movie time with friends. This GRC Mini Projector is powered by safe electricity from 100 to 240 volts 56 Hz to 20 volts to a power adapter. Instead of burning firewood as heat sources like regular torches, this portable projector can project large images up to 5 meters away. This mini LED video projector supports a 1080p high resolution, 3200, 1800 pixels, 1300 lumens brightness. Compare with the traditional 800 x 480 pixels of LCD projector. You can play movies through USB or HDMI interface up to full HD without noise and distortion. Equipped with 5000 lux lamp, provides 9500 hours service life, so no need for a replacement anytime soon. Comes with 4 meters power connector cable compatible with 220 volts. At number 7, BenQ GS2 Wireless Mini Portable Projector. The BenQ GS2 is the most powerful projector out there, giving you up to a 300-inch viewing experience wherever you are. You can connect your mobile devices and watch content on a full projection screen. Enjoy movies or videos in crisp HD quality with an adjustable touch screen and integrated speakers for loud, clear sound. The bright 5 illuminated LED lamps project from up to 100 inches at full HD 1080p resolution, while Chromecast mirroring allows. BenQ GS2 Wireless Mini Portable Projector makes it possible to enjoy streaming entertainment anytime, anywhere, so get ready to ditch those pesky cords. The LED lamp has been designed to be durable but eco-friendly as well, coming with IPX2 splash and drop resistant protection, which makes them perfect companions for outdoor use like family picnics or sporting events on other occasions.